Do you want to know how to connect your custom domain to Shopify? In the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Shopify custom domains. My name is Elise Nelson, and I help tech challenge makers build a profitable e-commerce brand. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel, where I offer lessons that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how to connect a GoDaddy custom domain to Shopify. But before we jump into this maker lesson, I'd love to know where you purchase your domains. Do you use GoDaddy or some other provider? Leave a comment and let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to go to our GoDaddy account, and in the upper right corner, you're going to see your name. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click on My Products. All right, once that loads, you're going to find the domain that you want to use. So I'm going to use this one here, and you're going to highlight it and copy it. Now, before we jump into the rest of the lesson, please like this video and comment with the word domain. Also, be sure to stick with me at the end of the video to learn your challenge for today and implement what you've learned. Now that we've copied our domain in GoDaddy, we're going to come over to our website and we're going to go to Settings, Domains. And then we're going to click on Connect Existing Domain. Once you get there, you're going to paste in that domain that you copied from GoDaddy and click Next. And since you're already logged into your GoDaddy account and you've copied and pasted a domain that is hosted by GoDaddy, you should have this Connect Automatically button. If you don't see this button, it may be because you've used something like Cloudflare to manage your DNS and it's not automatically being noticed. If that's the case, it's a slightly more advanced tutorial. You'll have to go through and actually delete out the CloudDaddy information from your DNS on GoDaddy. But assuming that you have a clean purchase of a domain name on GoDaddy, you should be able to simply come here and then click on Connect Automatically. It's going to open up this pop-up and it's going to automatically get you logged into your GoDaddy since you're already logged in. And then you're going to click on Connect. Once it says success, you're going to say close. If you want more help with your e-commerce brand, be sure to subscribe and sign up for notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos that are 15 minutes or less to help you grow your e-commerce shop. All right, so now that we've done that, we've got this kind of scary looking thing that here. This is fine, this is totally fine. All you need to do now is you're going to click on Verify Connection, and it's going to try and verify your connection. And you can see here it is, ECOMMERCE. You see this SSL pending. SSL is the security socket layer. That's what protects people when they purchase on your site from being hacked. You want to make sure that this little sign goes away. So usually this will be done within just a few minutes, but if you don't see it done within a few minutes, go ahead and refresh and come back to it. You may even have to wait a couple of hours. You want to make sure that that goes away because that means your SSL is activated or your secure socket layer. So let's go ahead and refresh it. Once that little notification goes away, you're done. So you can see it's still there. So I would want to come back in a little bit and double check it. But once that is finished, what will happen is if it's your only domain, it'll become the primary. If it's not your only domain, like how mine are here, then it'll redirect. So if someone went to ecommlifer.com, it would automatically redirect to carryclips.com, which is my primary domain. So today's question was, where do you purchase your domains? Do you use GoDaddy or some other provider? Leave a comment and let me know. Plus, be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this playlist to learn more about how to build a website for sales. Plus, be sure to download the website theme comparison checklist to determine if the platform or Shopify theme you're considering checks all the boxes. The link is in the description. Your challenge for today is to connect your custom domains to your Shopify store. Let me know how it went in the comments below. Once a month, I randomly pick one of the comments from the new videos that are released every week, and if you're subscribed to the My Schedule Biz channel, you will win a free ticket to my next social media challenge. Best of luck to you all. Don't forget to live your dream every single day.